या तो एक में इतनी मिर्ची तेज है, एक में हींग.
I'm eating the matrix, and they gave us the cheese, and I'm eating the bread too.
अच्छा नहीं खानी तो ये क्यों नहीं खानी?
चीज़ है फ्राइज.
हाँ तो फिर लिए क्यों है?
So,
हाँ.
this is my chicken.
ये इसने इन एंड आउट का टच मारा है.
मारा है.
It's good.
Mm.
We got it last time. Last time was the first time.
इसके आलू में नमक तेज है.
My nose started to hurt so much.
ये सब भूल गया ना उसमें.
anything last night. Oh my God. That's really good. Try it. The bread is good. Oh no, you can cut it. Oh my God, cheese! I love cheese. So here we have the cheese. I really good. Oh, forgot. We also use fries.
सोडा ले गया है. क्या कह दो?
No.
Blaze spark hotter.
No. Wait. So, here's the bread. Wait, can you move your hands for a second? So here is the other one. This is ours. This is what we're eating. This is cheese. And